Today it's it's 14:59 on Monday, the 14th of March, and this is not the ideal situation to be making a home video in, but giving it a go anyway. I'm at a gold mine called Bullabulling, and you're sitting in the passenger seat of this truck. Maybe you've seen a photo of a truck like this one. Tip truck, 3-axle, 40 ton when it's full, 16 speed, and we're carting dirt basically. You might be able to see some flying around outside the window. There's a pit here. Alright, there's a digger behind me, and they just keep digging up the floor of this pit because there's gold in there and they want it. So they just keep digging it up, and we put it in the back of the truck, and we're taking it about 3 kilometres down the road to the big leach, well, yeah, a big pile basically. We're making a huge pile of all the dirt. That's my departure call. And this is my departure call. Truck leaving the pit. Yeah, so it's about 3 kilometres down to this big pile. We drive up a couple of ramps and then tip it onto the pile. And what it is once they've formed the big pile there, they soak it with, I'm pretty sure it's potassium cyanide. It's something cyanide anyway. I'm pretty sure it's potassium. And that all soaks through down to the bottom, and then there's a chemical reaction happens, and somehow it extracts the gold from the dirt, and then they collect it in big pools, and I figure there must be another chemical reaction that happens after that to reclaim the gold from it. Anyway, but we've just been subcontracted in here to do this part of the job. So we get loaded, we drive down here, and we dump it, and then we drive back and get some more. This will be a very work-related home video because I have to keep my wits about me. Coming around turn 10, there's Ben. Hello, Ben. There's a bit of music as well, which is good. Truck coming up the road. There, we're on top of the pile now. I'm backing back. We're dumping over the edge over here, and just filling the pile, making it bigger. So we dump about, I don't know, a dozen loads up here, and then there's a big bulldozer, which I'll show you. So it just comes along and pushes it all off the edge. There's the bulldozer over there, we're on top of the pile. That's my mirror, you can see the tip thing going up. That's some of the leaching plant down there. And over there. And And that's them leaching it over there. See the big sprinklers going? Yeah. Anyway, we're nearly done.
She's sassy and brash. Cosmetics or something, don't I? P.S. from her record this week, and you'll hear more of those kind of sounds if you tune into the Hip Hop Show on Monday nights from 11 with my Jupiter. She's got a whole heap of new stuff to play from Layla.
It's not exactly brain dead work.
On Monday nights.
Like, there is stuff to think about here.
The Libertines were in there with Can't Stand Me Now and Baby Rugs. Sheldon outfit, who very sadly, I'm sure I read somewhere that's disbanded. They played their last gig in February last month, and no more, unfortunately. I think they're starting conflicts within the band, but let's hope that the members go on and do something else.
Truck coming down the ramp.
Just after 8:30.
I'll see if I can show you some scenery on the way back. There's the road. Speed limit along here is 60. Oh, I'm going 70 at the moment. Quite beautiful, like the colours of the trees and the soil and everything. It's really quite fetching. Here comes the corner. As usual, I'm really not meant to have the camera here. And oh, there's a bit of dust in the horizon there, so another truck's coming. Oh, there goes the corner. Most of these corners you can do at close to 60 when you're empty. And it's quite dangerous because, like, this would be close to the 100th time that I've driven these roads, this 3 kilometre stretch, well, 200 if you count each direction as separate. So I'm getting to that really complacent stage where, you know, I think I know all the bends and everything, and I, you know, start to, I don't know, relax, no, not relax, what am I trying to say? Yeah, complacency. You know, I think I know it really well and can take every corner, and like I think I know what all the trucks are doing and where they all are. So there's always a risk of coming around the corner and finding a truck where you don't expect it. But even then, like, so long as you're not driving too crazily, so long as you're not driving too crazily, you still shouldn't crash into them. As in, there's plenty of time to get around them. Okay, so I'm approaching the pit now where we're loading this stuff from. That's our road into the pit on the left there. Oh, actually, that's our road out of the pit. We're coming in this way. Change gears. Right, so this is the other road into the pit. You'll see the digger from out here, but then I'll conceal the camera nicely. There it is. So there you go. Oh, I'll just put the part here until it's my turn. I might show you. Oh yeah. There you go. That's the loading operation in progress. So So there you go, it's part of my day at the office. Thanks for coming.